This video is about how we remove the remnants of barnacles from the surface of a plastic Bass Pro Shop pond Prowler boat. After having scraped the barnacles off, there's always remains of residue over the bottom of the boat. In this case, we use muriatic acid, which is also called sulfuric acid, highly corrosive chemical product that will not hurt the surface of a plastic boat. As soon as the acid makes contact with the barnacle or the imprint of the barnacle on the boat's surface, a reaction can be noticed by a bubbling effect. The barnacle imprint will soften and will be easily be removed by repeated strokes of a brush or the use of a spatula. Always wear protective equipment for your eyes and hands. When you feel that you have completed your task, you can wash with regular water the entire surface of the boat and let it dry out.